guys.
Just grab it by the end.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's really black.
You like the bells, Maggie? Today we are going to Woldumar Nature Center for Cocoa in the Cabin. This is the first time that we have ever come here, so it should be fun. Come along with us.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way.
With your feet. Hold on, yeah, just like that. Look at that.
Good job, Patch.
Spoke shape.
Okay, come on.
That is
A spoke shape. Yeah. Oh, that's what it's called. Okay, we're just calling it a drawbench. Maybe that's one of the names. You want to do it too?
I want to go.
I want to go.
Yeah, there's hot cocoa inside.
Cool, guys.
Just grab it by the end.
What do you
Yeah,
think?
it's really black.
You like the bells, Maggie? That's cool. Stay less messy, Pet James. Yeah, no. Let's leave it here. Or let's stay here till you're done with it. Okay? See the spinning wheel?
Cookies.
Are you looking around?
Let's walk over.
Cocoa Megs?
Doing a hook?
Yeah, a little hook. All right. So we got to get the metal really hot in order to be able to pound it into the shape that we want it.
An anvil.
It is an anvil.
Oh yes, I remember.
Pull on the anvil. Let's call it target.
Well, can we go into different buildings together? I think I know what building they got the cookies from, you guys.
I think I.
Patch?
The cookie building.
What do you want to do with the cookie building?
Go down and get the cookie.
Oh, I think we can do that.
I think you can. I think.
Where do you want to go, Megs?
it's cool enough.
Yeah. You wouldn't be able to do
Can I try?
No, 15.
Like that.
See, let me get the chair off of her face. Take a sip of it.
Is this where we're going?
I know it's a temptation to fight, but we don't do that.
What are we doing?
You're done with your
Try to lick the spoon.
Go ahead and okay, Maggie, you want to make one? Or sprinkles. You're ready? Red one?
Maggie, you want
There you go. You got it.
Tess?
That's pretty cool, huh?
Something wrong with my liking no rain stick. It's pretty cool.
How's the cookie patch?
Good. Riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of eyes, onwards ever go. Dasher and Prancer, moving through the snow.
Okay, guys, so what did you guys think about the Cocoa in the Cabin?
That was good.
What was your favorite part? Cookies?
Cookie.
Okay, what was your favorite part about that you learned about there?
That even though I already knew it.
Oh, okay. So when we went upstairs, I didn't get to film this part. They had pioneer clothes set out. There was a lady upstairs that was teaching about what it would be like to live in a cabin like this, and she said that someone who lived in this cabin would have like 4 outfits. And so that was Sadie's favorite part. Well, she said, didn't she say 4? And you said that, and when she asked you how many outfits you thought someone who lived here would have, you said like 2. And she said that was right?
Yeah, but how could someone have 4 then if they had 2?
Well, it was probably like about this much. Someone would have like 2 or 4 outfits.
Maybe it was, I thought it was 2 people.
Oh, maybe, yeah. Maybe like, because upstairs, that little tiny room, the little room we were in could have been like a sister's room, would share that room or something like that.
Yeah, and plus they said,
Like Little House on the Prairie?
that like 2 kids would share in that room.
Oh, okay. So that would have been 2 dresses for 2 little girls, maybe?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Patrick, what was your favorite part? Patrick's grumpy because we're going to lunch right now, and Patrick doesn't want to go to lunch.
He wanted to have his cookies be at lunch.
Yeah, that would be
We're going to this really good buffet with Nanny and Bopa.
Is the best restaurant ever. It equals to Jungle Cafe.
And he's grumpy because it takes too long and he wants to go get our Christmas tree, which is what we're doing after this.
Turn right onto Snow Road.
Okay.
Says yeah. If I was a food
Anyways.
critic, I'd make it a 5-star restaurant.
You'd make it a 5-star restaurant if you were a food critic?
The Royal Buffet.
I would make it this.
Like, I like going there too, but it's not exactly a 5-star restaurant.
In 2
I would
miles,
make it one for
our
right onto
family.
West Saginaw Highway.
For our kids, it's a 5-star restaurant.
Yeah.
Anyways.
I guess for available options, you can say that, but
When the norm is McDonald's, and what we're usually excited about when we give them choices is McDonald's or Chuck E. Cheese, then Royal Buffet is...
well, that's really not a choice when it comes down to those 2.
But when they're asked, those are usually the 2 things that people come up with.
Yeah.
So, I'd rather a selfie stick again.
I know, it's like you almost don't want to have talks with me on this.
I would make it
Interesting.
Yeah. Interesting.
Weird.
5-star.
Yes, you are. We're doing this. Okay, I see how we're doing this. Yep. I used to work off this road, actually.
I came down here to hunt Pokemon before.
Shocker.
I think I got my first Snorlax down here. Actually, I drove all the way down here for no reason other than to catch 2 Snorlax.
I'm gonna tell everyone how you used to be a Pokemon addict.
No,
You don't?
I don't play anymore. When the kids no longer went to school in downtown, I stopped.
You can speak a little bit louder so they can hear you.
When the kids no longer went to school downtown, they could hear me on this. When the kids no longer went to school downtown, I stopped playing because there's no good Pokemon in our little town.
It was like she was addicted to heroin.
Stop.
Like, I am gonna get the Pikachu with the Santa hat, dang it.
Stop it.
I used to take, we used to do swimming there, didn't we?
No, this is Waverly School.
I think I might have taken Sadie swimming here, or Patrick and Jinx.
Waverly High School, no. You're thinking of a different one. You're thinking of one that's like over.
It looks like it. Very ugly school, by the way.
You're disoriented.
Perhaps I am. No, this is, I remember I used to take one time we had classes here.
You're thinking of one that's over off of like
No, I'm thinking of this
Gilbert
one.
or something
I'm thinking
like
of
that.
this one.
We haven't had school.
I'm thinking of the worst question.
Because, yeah, no, this is the one we used to take them to. One of the times. We went to a couple different schools, but this is one of them.
Waverly High School is not, has never been where we've had classes.
Yeah.
I know what school you're thinking of though. I just don't remember what it's called.
Waverly. Telling you. Shall we bicker for the viewers for the next time until we get there?
No. I'll just cut this part about you being wrong out. Okay, we're gonna be going right up here.
Okay.
Do you ever wonder why Vampirina left Transylvania?
Because her family was killed in the Great Purge of vampires.
Stop.
I think the guy's name was Belmont that went around killing them all.
In 1,000
Because they
feet,
come and visit,
turn
so that's
right.
not what it is.
Then turn left.
Well, doesn't mean he killed them all. Just means killing a lot of them.
Yeah, I wonder what.
Back in my day, we killed vampires. We weren't friends with them. They certainly didn't sparkle.
Turn right onto West
Generations
Saginaw
bunch of
Highway.
pansies.
Then turn left onto Mall Drive East.
It's because of people like Cammy. That
People
vampires
like Cammy?
started sparkling and had great love stories.
Why am I responsible for this?
Because you bought those dang books.
Turn left onto Mall Drive East.
You let these
Then turn
producers know
left.
that vampire stories were okay. They're not. They're not okay, damn it.
Oh, here we are, World Buffet.
Yes.
Here we go. My kid's idea of a 5-star restaurant, guys.
5-star restaurant. 5-star restaurant.
Does that scream 5-star restaurant to you?
You guys tell me it was
It does not. Nah.
Why didn't we tell you that it was nearby? Would that have made you have less attitude, child?
Yeah.
I told you this is where we were going.
Yeah.
We literally talked about this.
I got a bad feeling about this. The parking lot looks.
It looks
The
full.
last time we went here, they had a party of 60 and a party of 30 and a party of 12 and 12. Isn't this parking lot cut off from the other parking
Nah,
lot?
we'll figure it out.
We'll just go over the barricades.
Yeah. Oh. Who's going with the barricades? He's a rebel. Daddy's a rebel. Daddy's going with the barricades. What now, Cammy? What now? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure because there are
Where's
still
Danny
some.
Grandpa?
I'm pretty sure that because look, there's still some.
They didn't go over the barricades. You're not parking in handicap parking.
Well, who said I was parking handicap parking, woman? Where is your parents?
You've arrived at your
They
destination.
don't go as fast as you.
Yeah.
They follow,
They left like 10 minutes
they
before
follow
we
the
did.
speed limit.
I followed the speed limit. Are you questioning my driving skills, Matt, as we got here safely and sound?
I'm pretty sure she is.
She's always been trouble. Ever since she ran those dang vampire stories.